there are easy ways that you can make extra cash as a student. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you five easy ways that you can make money as a student. These are ways I have seen students make money, including my own friends. So I'm going to be sharing with you how you can do that as well, and 5 easy ways to make money. Definitely are not going to be like a walk in the park, but you have to do a little bit of work to help you get there. Let's just get straight to it. I'm going to keep this short and sweet. The first thing that you can consider doing is to sell physical products. So selling physical products can be something just like retail, and it's just like you go source stuff and then sell them to your fellow students. When I was at uni, my roommate started this jewelry business. She used to sell these very simple products that she'd pick up from the market and then add some profit to it and sell. And if I tell you she made so much money from it, you wouldn't believe it. She did not need to invest a lot of money. She just went to the source, bought it in bulk, and then sold it to students. And students always just want an excuse to buy something, isn't it? So she had like some kind of earrings. Some of them were plastic, not even very expensive, but people bought them, and then she made so much money. So you can sell physical products. What is it that you find that around you in your hostel or on campus people would like to buy? You can go, or what do people usually buy? So sometimes people would like to buy deodorants a lot. So do you have like deodorants in the hostel that they can just come to you and say, hey, I've run out of deodorant, so I'd like to buy one? Or what is it that you think you can sell that you just go get up physical product and sell? So that is one thing that you can definitely do, and this is super easy. You do not need a lot of startup capital. You don't need a lot of money. You just need something small to start the business, and then when you make your profit, you can keep the profit down and now use whatever it is that you still have left to buy more products and sell. And that's how you can make a ton of money. The next thing is to learn a skill. When I was at uni, this is also another story. When I was at uni, one of my very good friends was a graphic designer. So he learned how to design graphics, and he would use that to his advantage, because whenever someone needed something designed, whether it was a logo or it was something for that they just needed for an event, he would design it for them and then he would get paid. So learn a skill. Is it like video editing you'd want to learn? Is it graphic design you would like to learn? What skill can you learn and monetize? Because when he did that, it really did help him, and then he made so much money from it. Not only does it help you make an income, it also helps you establish yourself in that field, so people know that you're skilled in this area, and then they would also refer you, or you tend to get lots of referrals. So this is also good. And apart from that, these days when you have a skill, you can also get clients online. You can advertise on Fiverr, Upwork, and all of these digital platforms and advertise your skills, and when people see it and need a service, they would come and ask you to help them, and that is how you get paid. Lots of people get paid lots of money, especially in this era of digital content and social media. There are lots of people who are willing to pay for these services and to pay people to help them with these things. So definitely learning a skill and putting it out there, letting people know that you can do this for them. You can make money from it, so don't sleep on it. The third one is pretty straightforward, and this is part-time uni jobs. So there are different departments that have jobs that they advertise to students. So whatever it is, whether it's in your department or it's just at the general university level, a lot of universities also have platforms where they advertise jobs, part-time jobs for students. So you can look out for some of these jobs and work. You could also work as a teaching assistant, or you could also even support administratively. Just look out for some of these jobs that are being advertised and apply for them. You would get paid fairly, and you'd get paid really well. Not huge, but you'd get paid fairly. And apart from the fact that you get paid, you also pick up some experience, like pick up something that you can write on your CV and let people know that you've had some experience. So look out for some uni jobs. You can ask around. If there's a website where these things are shared, look out for them. And if there isn't, make sure you can ask your lecturers or ask people if there are any available opportunities. Number 4 is virtual assistantship. So virtual assistant jobs are everywhere. So you can go on these platforms, like I mentioned. If you go on Upwork, for instance, you would find that people are advertising looking for virtual assistants, or looking for people to help them with particular services. So you can be a virtual assistant where you basically just help someone, make someone's life easier by just being their assistant online and helping them depending on what they're doing, and then they would pay you. A lot of these jobs are also really good because you may find an organization that works outside a country and they would pay you in their currency. And if you're in a country, say in a country like mine, if you're from Ghana, or if you're from Nigeria, or you're from Pakistan, wherever you are from, the British pound or the euro or the dollar might weigh a bit more in your country. So if you search for some of these virtual assistant jobs, you'd find that you get an opportunity to work with someone who is in a different country, and they would pay you an amount that would be good for you. So as a student, you can apply for these virtual assistantship jobs, especially in the fields of digital content, so social media management and all of these stuff. You could sign up for them, you could apply for some of these jobs, and if you get them, you would be paid. So look into virtual assistant jobs, do a lot of research, and try to find some of these job opportunities and explore them. The final thing that everyone seems to be making a lot of money from is selling digital products. So digital products are basically products that people make. They are not physical products, they are products that people upload on the internet to help other people. So basically a digital product could be an ebook, a digital product could be an audiobook, a digital product could be some kind of package, maybe like a web training package that someone would have produced to teach someone how to do something. All of these things are digital products. For example, if you're a good writer and you have some ideas, you could look into publishing some ebooks and uploading them online and selling them. So just develop a digital product based on people's pain points and what people are searching for. So if you want to explore this further, just look it up, learn about it, look at your own skills and look at your own knowledge, and then market that idea and develop a digital product around that. I have seen lots of people, including teenagers, university students, making lots of money from digital products. And when I say lots of money, I mean a lot of money, a lot of money. So do not sleep on this. This is huge, and a lot of young people are making so much money from it. So don't miss out. Do your research, and you can always start something. You only need an internet connection and your phone, maybe a laptop, and you can develop something. So I hope this has been useful to you. If you find this relevant, please share it with someone who would find it useful as well. And don't forget to subscribe for similar content, more useful content. Hi, I'm Zarina. If you're new here, yes, I'm introducing myself at the end of the video. If you're new here on this channel, I share a lot of useful information on education and self-improvement. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to see any new videos. Let me know in the comment section if you have any comments or questions. Lots of love. Bye.